Kansai Ben is like the Australian English. It's more comical compared to the standard accent. Can we talk about the Australian accent? I was once told, again, this is like the third, fourth time I've heard this in my life. I was told that the Australian accent is sexy. I don't understand. I still don't. When we were prepping for the collab, Nessie was like, oh, the Australian accent is so sexy. And I'm like, in what universe? Eh? It depends on the person talking. Oh. I've never once heard someone go, crikey, and be like, oh! What's the sexiest Australian phrase? What is the sexiest Australian phrase? Okay. I need to ask, why is the Australian accent sexy? An American study names Australian accents as the most attractive in the world. Exhibit A, Hugh Jackman. Ah, but that's just because it's Hugh Jackman and his voice, right? Are you sure that's just not the person you guys are viewing and not necessarily the accent? Margot Robbie. Again, isn't that because of the person, not the accent? Have we had Breck yet? Oh, I said Devo in a conversation once. I think I was talking to Kosuke Biju. I said something about someone being Devo. Like, absolutely Devo. And she was like, what did you just say? I was like, Devo. Like, devastated. And she was like, what? Yeah. If someone is devastated, you say they're Devo. Absolutely Devo. Arvo, afternoon. Devo, devastated. Arvo, avocado. Yes.